What are you doing in there? You already had a waffle. You want to close the door? You want to close the door, please? Want to close the door, please? Want to close the door, please? Anthony, close the door, please. Anthony, please close the door. Anthony, close the door. Close the door, please. Please close the door. Close the door, please. Close the door! Anthony, close the door, please. No, close the door. Close the door. Close the door, please. Please close the door. You don't need any frozen sausage. You do need frozen sausage, huh? What are you going to do with it? You'll break your toe if you drop it. Go put it in the sink. Please. Okay, be careful. Easy. Easy. That wasn't easy. Where's your socks? Come on, let's put your shoes and socks on.